Well, hello, Tim Glom here from CHEETAH Digital, half of the host of the podcast Thinking Caps. And today I wanted to go over some really awesome CHEETAH experiences examples, specifically for retailers. Now, I'm going to remind you, we create a ton of content here at CHEETAH. We have a ton of resources for you, whether you're a client or not. So we hope you dig into this one. This one is a downloadable PDF that you can get from our website that's about 20-some pages, and it has 16 great examples of well-known global or U.S. retail companies that are using our CHEETAH experiences to acquire information, learn more about their customers, turn unknown into known, and collect that zero-party data to move their business forward. So right here, I'm going to show you the title page, CHEETAH Experiences, 16 examples. And it has, as I said, some great resources. First off, it explains our tailor-made digital experiences, what they are, and a little bit of the results that we get there. Again, this is all anchored around this platform of our customer engagement suite at CHEETAH, and the experiences end of that, the front end, are really made to build stronger, lasting relationships. Now, remember, if you've been watching Thinking Caps, the IAB came out with a great study earlier this year in March of 2021 that said advertisers, brand advertisers specifically, need to build stronger long-term relationships. You can't just pay for a click-to-buy ad. It's not going to work in the long run. It's a short-term, short-sighted strategy. So CHEETAH experiences are really about building those long-lasting relationships. We also touch on some success metrics here. So where should you be benchmarking depending on what kind of business you're in? So a little bit of guidance there. And then we get right into the experiences. I'm going to show you right now some of my favorite experiences in this and why. Number one, I love the Aeropostale product picker and personalized subject line. This is basically the starter kit. If you're not familiar with zero-party data, you're not collecting a lot of information, maybe you only have their name, maybe you only have their email, maybe you only know they're a male or female, that's good, but you need far more. And this product picker did two things. One, it allowed Aeropostale to put something on their website that was heavily promoted from their ambassadors, paid media, etc. All that funnel traffic went to one landing page where people could actually answer questions about the denim that they like and need in their life. Bell bottoms, light denim, dark denim, what sizes, etc. All that data for every single individual entrant is being recorded into that customer profile. So now Aeropostale is able to take that information and personalize the subject line in an autoresponder email. Using the name is great, but it's kind of table stakes today. If you can use their size or say, hey, Tim, we have dark denim in stock for you. Or, hey, Tim, we have light denim in stock for you. We all know that that subject line is the make or break getting them to open your email or not. So great use case there. Check it out. Another one I love, Bowtech Archery through the Pure Archery Group. They do a lot of sweepstakes. They ask a lot of questions. They happen to have over 50% of the contacts in their database do not own their product yet, which is the holy grail for a marketer. They are getting great, amazing engagement rates, open rates, and click rates with their competitors' customers. That's where you want to be. They have some great questions in there. They ask about their products, services. What don't you like about your current product that you own? What brand do you own now? And then they use that data through email, SMS, in-app, and they have a web tag from the customer engagement suite. They are personalizing web experiences. So the consumer doesn't even know they're getting a different web page experience than someone next to them based on the data that they've collected. So an amazing, great zero-party data strategy company there with Pure Archery Group. Another great one, the challenge registration. Now, Shimano, as a manufacturer of goods, probably is trying to get people to register products. If you have people registering products, it's a great touch point to throw in an experience to go above and beyond and ask them some questions. Give them some time, maybe review the product, ask them what they like, what they don't like. Bring that data home. A, it's market research. B, it's also in their profile. So when you make adjustments or you have new products that solve the problem they said they have, or it's an accessory that you could sell them based on the product they just registered, this is a great way to do that. So the challenge registration, these also can be kind of fleeting in that they're like, just a short-term campaign around spring, bike day, earth day, things like that. So a great way to use product registration, get people to register things and learn a lot about them on the way. Digital coupons. If you use coupons at all, I don't care if it's with a partner retailer, your own brand, e-commerce, etc. Shell, one that's not necessarily known for couponing, but Shell, the petrol company that we're all familiar with, a global brand, uses a lot of digital coupons through the Cheetah Experiences platform. What you can do is essentially load in hundreds of thousands of predefined, unique customer codes, coupon codes, and as customers engage, they take a survey, they fill out a sweepstakes, they just give you a feedback loop through customer service, you can append an actual customer coupon code to them that they can redeem back into there. I mentioned Pure Archery Group earlier. They do the same exact thing and support over 1,000 independent retailers through their chains. So they're using coupon codes and different things that are mapped into their EDP, the Customer Engagement Suite engagement data platform, and then sending that out via email, SMS, etc. So another great one. Everyone loves a coupon being a customer. Also, Shell shines here with a scratch and win. Again, seems fairly fleeting, but it's kind of engaging and fun for the consumer. They can literally go to a website and reenact in a digital way to scratch off 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 different areas on their screen and see if they win a prize or they get early access to content or they get some other value exchange from the brand. So the scratch and win, it's really simple. It could be used for Valentine's Day. It could be used for kicking off summer, end of school, back to school, holiday retail campaigns, etc. There are a million uses for it. Millennials love this, but you'd be surprised to see everyone across all age groups and all different industries are getting some great traction with these scratch and wins. It's fun, but it's also collecting that intent data that you need to move your business forward. I'll touch on this one. Everyone understands a photo sweepstakes. Yes, we power those. I'm not going to dig in deep, but you can look at the Camelback example there. We also have a hashtag contest. Yes, we have hashtag contests. You want to promote things across social? We can scrape those in for you. We can do some judging. We can, give you scoring. We can give you all kinds of ways to incent people to use your hashtag and get rewarded through that value exchange by doing so. Lastly, this report ends with some great benchmarks. It'll tell you from coupons to contests, to just simple signups or sweepstakes, what you can expect as far as an ROI, as far as an engagement layer there. So really, if you're new to this, if you haven't really created digital experiences, you got to check out Cheetah Experiences. The Customer Engagement Suite has the full set of solutions if you really want to anchor all of your data, single source of truth, point of sale data, weather data, all kinds of ERP data. You can put it in one place. You can activate your customers. You can send messages. You can create a loyalty program in there and activate all the great data that you're collecting. So I implore you, go download this, take a look at it, call us, hit us back, hit us at CheetahDigital.com if you want to see a demo, if you want to see more in the weeds, if you want to see ROIs, you want to see case studies. We've done thousands of these for hundreds of clients, if not thousands of clients. So we're well versed. Give us a ring. We hope you enjoy the resource. And again, CheetahDigital.com, resources at the top, tons of other ebooks, papers, reports, all the things you need to drive your business forward. See you next time.